Internal gear hubs, IGH, are known for offering a clean, efficient, and low-maintenance alternative to traditional derailleur systems. These hubs house the gears within the rear wheel, shielding them from the elements and reducing wear and tear. Whether you're commuting, touring, or just cycling for leisure, an internal gear hub can provide smooth shifting and reliable performance. Number 1. SHIMANO Alfine 11-Speed Internal Gear Hub. The SHIMANO Alfine 11-Speed Hub is widely regarded as one of the most reliable and versatile internal gear hubs on the market. Designed for urban commuting, touring, and adventure biking, it provides a wide gear range with smooth transitions, ensuring that you can tackle steep climbs and fast descents with ease. The 11-speed system is housed in a compact and durable shell, making it ideal for riders who want low maintenance without sacrificing performance. One of the standout features of the SHIMANO Alfine 11-Speed Hub is its smooth shifting, even under load. The sealed system protects the gears from dust, dirt, and moisture, which ensures longevity and reliability. Its ease of use and high torque handling capacity make it an ideal choice for long-distance riders, as well as those using electric bikes or heavily loaded touring bikes. This hub is compatible with disc brakes, which makes it a versatile choice for modern cyclists. While it may be more expensive than some of its competitors, the Alfine 11 offers excellent value for money with its premium performance and long-term durability. Key features: 11-speed gear range suitable for various terrains. Sealed system for enhanced protection from the elements. Smooth and precise shifting, even under load. Compatible with disc brakes. Ideal for commuting, touring, and e-bikes. Gear ratio range, 409%, enabling easier climbs and faster rides. Weighs around 1.66 kilograms, a reasonable weight for performance-focused internal hubs. Number 2. Rohloff Speedhub 514 Internal Gear Hub. The Rohloff Speedhub 514 is the Rolls-Royce of internal gear hubs. This 14-speed hub offers an ultra-wide gear range, making it suitable for virtually any riding condition, from steep mountains to long flat stretches. With a reputation for being incredibly durable and reliable, the Rohloff Speedhub is a favorite among long-distance cyclists and bikepackers who prioritize performance and dependability over cost. The sealed hub ensures that internal components remain protected from the elements, making it an excellent choice for harsh weather conditions or off-road adventures. Additionally, the Rohloff hub is known for requiring very little maintenance, often only needing an oil change once a year or after 5,000 kilometers. Though it's on the pricier side, the Speedhub 514 offers exceptional performance and longevity. Cyclists who prioritize long-term investment in high-quality components will find this hub well worth the cost. Key features: 14-speed gear system with an impressive gear range of 526%. Sealed design keeps dirt, water, and debris out of the internal mechanism. Robust and durable construction for years of reliable use. Requires minimal maintenance, with oil changes recommended annually or after every 5,000 kilometers. Can handle high torque, making it suitable for heavy-duty touring and electric bikes. Compatible with disc and rim brakes, offering versatility. Known for smooth and precise shifting across the entire gear range. Number 3. Sturmey-Archer 5-Speed Internal Gear Hub. The Sturmey-Archer 5-Speed Internal Gear Hub is a more budget-friendly option, offering a good balance between performance and cost. This classic brand has been producing hubs for over a century, and their 5-speed hub is ideal for commuters and recreational riders looking for a reliable, low-maintenance solution for urban environments. The Sturmey-Archer 5-speed hub offers a modest gear range that's sufficient for city riding and light touring. While it doesn't offer the extensive gear range of pricier models, it's more than adequate for everyday use. The hub is relatively easy to install and maintain, and the shifting is smooth enough for urban commuting. If you're looking for an affordable internal gear hub that offers decent performance without breaking the bank, the Sturmey-Archer 5-speed is a solid choice. Key features: 5-speed system with a moderate gear range suitable for city riding. Affordable price point for budget-conscious riders. Low maintenance design with sealed internal components. Smooth shifting, especially suited for commuting and casual riding. Compatible with both rim and disc brakes. Classic design from a trusted brand in the cycling industry. Gear ratio range of approximately 225%, enough for flat and moderately hilly terrain. Number for SHIMANO 3-speed internal gear hub. For cyclists who prioritize simplicity and reliability, the SHIMANO 3-speed hub is an excellent choice. This hub is designed for urban cyclists who don't need a wide gear range but still want the convenience and low-maintenance nature of an internal gear system. The 3-speed hub is perfect for flat city roads and minor inclines, making it ideal for casual commuting and everyday use. The SHIMANO hub is compact, lightweight, and easy to use, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer a more minimalistic approach to cycling. With fewer moving parts, it requires very little maintenance and is highly durable. While it doesn't offer the versatility of higher-end hubs, the iMotion's 3-speed system is more than enough for urban riding. It's also one of the more affordable options on the market, making it a great choice for budget-conscious cyclists. Key features: 3-speed gear system tailored for city riding and light commuting. Lightweight and compact design, ideal for minimalistic bikes. Sealed system for protection against dirt and moisture. Extremely low maintenance, requiring little attention over time. Simple and intuitive shifting, even for beginner cyclists. Compatible with coaster brakes and rim brakes, offering flexibility. Affordable price, making it one of the best budget internal gear hubs on the market. Number 5. NuVinci Nfinity CVP Internal Gear Hub. The NuVinci Nfinity CVP, continuously variable planetary hub, takes a completely different approach to gearing. Instead of offering discrete gear steps, the NuVinci hub provides a continuously variable transmission, allowing for a seamless and infinite number of gear ratios. This system makes it incredibly smooth to transition between gears, as you can fine-tune your gear ratio to match the terrain and your riding style. The Nfinity CVP hub is particularly popular among electric bike users, as it can handle high torque levels while maintaining a smooth ride. It's also an excellent choice for touring and long-distance riders who value comfort and convenience. The sealed design of the hub ensures long-lasting durability, and since there are no internal gear teeth to wear out, it's virtually maintenance-free. While the NuVinci hub is more expensive and heavier than traditional internal gear hubs, its unique technology and ease of use make it an appealing option for those seeking the ultimate in cycling comfort. Key features: continuously variable transmission with no fixed gears, offering infinite gear ratios. Exceptionally smooth shifting, with no noticeable gear steps. High torque handling, making it ideal for e-bikes and heavy touring setups. Sealed system protects against dirt, water, and debris, ensuring long-lasting durability. Virtually maintenance-free, with no internal gear teeth to wear out. Compatible with disc brakes, providing excellent stopping power. Slightly heavier than traditional gear hubs, but offers unparalleled smoothness and convenience. Conclusion: internal gear hubs are a fantastic option for cyclists looking for a low-maintenance, reliable, and efficient gearing system. Each of the hubs mentioned above offers unique features tailored to different cycling needs, whether you're an urban commuter, a long-distance tourer, or an electric bike rider. While the Rohloff Speedhub 514 and NuVinci Nfinity CVP are on the higher end of the price spectrum, they offer unparalleled performance and longevity. For budget-conscious cyclists, the Sturmey-Archer 5-speed and SRAM iMotion 3 speed hubs offer excellent value without compromising on quality.